Welcome! Presenting the FormAssist demo is Rick Scanlon, Director of Sales Engineering at Accusoft Pegasus. Rick has over 20 years of experience in the field of document imaging and forms processing. Enjoy the presentation.
FormAssist is a demonstration application designed to showcase the capabilities of our FormSuite product. FormSuite is a collection of the Pegasus developer toolkits that our customers have found most useful when developing structured forms processing applications. The components included with FormSuite are Image Express, used for image decompression, image display, and image annotations. Our ScanFix Express engine, which performs image enhancement and image cleanup to improve identification and field recognition accuracy. The main FormFix engine, which performs form identification, form alignment, and form dropout, as well as OMR. And also our SmartZone ICR/OCR engine, which will read the contents of each individual field on the form. Let's take a look at the example form set that I have loaded. Each form set consists of one or more template images that are simply unfilled images of the form. There's no special requirements for objects to be printed on the form. We don't require any registration marks or identification marks or any other type of keys that are used during identification. FormFix actually uses all the content of the master form image to identify unknown incoming images. Once a template has been placed into a forms library, individual data collection zones can be defined on the form. These zones consist of fields that would be used for OCR types of activities, such as name fields or social security number fields. And various parameters can be defined for each of those fields. For example, in the case of an OCR field, you could define specific character sets if you knew that the field would contain only digits and dashes. And then for optical marker recognition fields, individual checkbox fields, the FormFix engine will also go through and identify whether or not that particular field is marked. If you're processing forms that may contain ICR, intelligent character recognition, hand-printed fields, FormFix also allows for definition of those types of fields, and with similar types of parameters being available for that. Now let's process an image. The FormAssist demonstration application is designed to process a single image at a time. Of course, in production, you'd be performing form processing in a batch-oriented environment with little to no user interface for much faster processing. The first thing we do is hit the incoming image with our ScanFix engine to do general image cleanup and enhancement. We then use the FormFix component to perform form identification to identify or match the incoming image with one of the templates in our master forms library. We perform form alignment to properly align the incoming image with the master image to ensure that all of the incoming fields and all the incoming image components are perfectly aligned with the master image. This is a critical step that's very important to achieve a high level of recognition accuracy. When we perform identification, we check the incoming image in all four orientations, just in case the image has been scanned upside down or scanned landscape. And then for each of those orientations, we return a confidence value. And in this case, we were 98% confident that that incoming image matched this template in 0-degree rotation. Once identification and alignment is complete, we can then begin processing the individual fields on the form. As an example, if we look at the Your Name field, this is the image clip that's produced by the FormFix engine. You'll note that even though the master form and the filled form contained this guide text that was included in the original image clip, the FormFix engine actually did form dropout, which removes any background content, any content that's present on the master form. It removes from the image clip prior to sending for processing. We used our SmartZone ICR/OCR engine in order to do recognition on that image clip. We produced very good results. And like any good OCR engine, produces things such as field confidence values, and alternate character selections, as well as coordinates for which each character and where the field is individually located. For the OMR field, the mark recognition fields, we go through and analyze each of the individual mark locations, and when we determine that one of the areas is marked, we indicate with the correct return value. If the form we're processing contains handprint recognition fields, the process is almost exactly the same. We'll go through and perform the same enhancement steps, the identification steps, The primary difference is when we process an individual field, we're actually using our Smart Zone ICR component to read the individual hand-printed characters and produce results. Our ICR engine is capable of reading multi-line ICR results and also does a very good job with some poorly written characters such as that 8. Even though the 8 is not a very clear 8, we do a good job of recognizing it's an 8 and also provide alternate character selections.
This FormAssist demo can be downloaded from our website. Source code to this application is included with the Form Suite trial download at no charge. Please call us or email info@accusoft.com with any questions about our forms processing technology or to schedule a custom web demonstration. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to hearing from you.